Hello, you guys. This is Gary, the general manager of the JUGAO CNC machine. We are taking money in the machines exhibition now. It's the most famous machines exhibition in China. You can see our machines, JUGAO machines, are very popular in the market. Yes, this is a booth of JUGAO. You see many buyers are interested in our machines. This is exhibition, the most famous exhibition in China. Some more buyers are coming to our booth and check JUGAO CNC machines. This is mechanical engineer Zhang. He's introduced the advance of our machine to the China buyer. This is electrical engineer Liu. He's introduced the machines to the buyers. This is our salesman, Mr. Liu. Hello, Liu. Yes, he's introducing the machine to the buyers. And this is engineer Chen. Hi, Chen. Hello. This is electrical engineer Han. Hello. Yes. Okay. See.